That's a nice trade. This is the gap zone, intraday gap. It's profit taking more than likely right now. So for anybody that is happy with their profits, you don't need to do anything else today. If you want to buy, don't forget this was yesterday's angel. The support zone from yesterday, the gap is closed. And this is how traders get caught, by being too greedy for that last little inch. Anybody that's hitting this bounce, a reminder. Previously that 74.5 was support, so the market's got to get back up above that 75 area. If you hit it one more time, make sure you understand you're scalping at the low end of the range. We can go to any day low, obviously, today, but in terms of yesterday's range, we're at the low end of yesterday's range. And we thought today that it would be difficult to get down into the 74 to 72 targets. And my suggestion is don't squander what you've earned. Lunchtime is typically choppy, smaller range, and it's certainly a good time to take profits. If it's, I know we've had a NIB breakdown, but I'm reminding you of a number of factors. One of them that profits are hard to come by today. Just narrower range than we've had. If you want lower targets, then you have to hit bounces and honor stop outs. And longs, understand on the long side where we are, so far, these longs are trapped, and until you get above 78, there's no edge on the longs other than reactionary bounces against today's trend. Because we've come from high to low, so bounces are contras until we take out the high. Plan was hit bounces. See if we couldn't close the gap. Previously, this zone right here was the support zone, and it's taken time to wear it down. My suggestion, keep an eye on the blue line, because as the day evolves, that will still be important. And if we get above all of these lines again, then that is going to be positive for the market. So this is a nice pullback from yesterday. This is a nice forced profit taking, and that's all it is. Now, yesterday we saw what happened. Very, very positive, very bullish. Yay! And then all of a sudden, later in the afternoon, we had a big move the other way. I'm not predicting that. I'm saying that this is a business when you never know when the markets turn on a dime. Our target today, if we got lucky, was to close the gap down here. Anything beyond that, in my opinion, is gravy. Could be 1 point, it could be 50 points, who knows? But in my opinion, that's what we set out to do. Mission accomplished.